just the wrong gang. I don't know if we should go side profile or up profile. I haven't vlogged in a while. But shit, I went to Hungry right now. We about to go watch the whips. You know. All that good stuff. Shit. Man, my shit dirty. It was raining today. Day. We about to watch a little whip up. I'm with Hood Rich J and Cam. You know. Pull that hoe in. All three lined up. Damn. About to blow my eardrum out. Yeah, let's get to the watch though. This thing loud, man. I don't know what you got on here, but that's loud. Damn. Damn. My fucking eardrums. What's the deal? So what's good? You got the soapy soap, you know, the detail in it. Yeah, my deal. I'm about to go sew mine up right now. I'll do that same shit. What do you put? Oh, pre-soak. Bet, I'm on it. You gotta get that pre-soak. I never knew about that. It's called low pressure pre-soak. So, you're gonna use that. You use the high pressure soak. Where is it at? High pressure soak. Guy Jay using the pre-soak. So I'm gonna use that one. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try that. Let's see what I'm talking about. Damn, I never. But this is what the pre-soak is like. Shit, oh, so tough. So now we're gonna hit it with the high pressure soak now. I think I never did that before. Man, making the truck dirty as shit, boy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit that with the high pressure soak. High pressure soak. Go hit it with the air dry. Oh, rinse down. Now we're gonna get the little tough spots that take forever to dry. Always gotta clean the nose. I've got these new cotton pots, by the way. Thanks, but I'll be there, $30. Want it? I'll give you the link. Let me know, DM me. Bird in the sky. There you go, look at it. over that wall right there. I don't know what he's circling for, but you know, Riverside team, stay active out here, so never know. Shit, hey man, hey, we back, man. I'm gonna try to vlog every now and then, here and there, because I took 2 years off, man. I took 2 years off, and yeah, I finally found some homies that we can vlog with, make some videos, make some content. Shit, never know, it could blow up. Whoa. Got the video, I got the camera, I got the laptop. He vlogged too, Cam. I'm gonna put the ads on there. You already know. Yeah, shout out to them. We out of here. Yeah. I'm gonna get them taken off. I'm gonna let them leave first though, so y'all can see what they're talking about. Yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We back. 345 Rome. Yeah. I got a lot of upgrades I did to my shit, so I'll probably go have a separate video for that. Show y'all all the stuff I did since then. I'm gonna have to go back and look at one of my old videos and go from there. Excuse my buttons, man. That's how you know. That's how you know you're a chill driver. When your cruise control buttons is used up like that. My shit, I need this sticker or whatever I gotta do for that one. Let's go to Ghetto Bird. Where he at? There you go. Right there. See that red light? I don't know who he looking for. It's active. Yeah, man. Catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. There you go. Out of there. Okay. There you go. Quiet. Police crazy out here, so gotta keep it chill. My turn. You know I ain't gonna keep chill. Alright, y'all, a little pulley. Catch y'all. I'll probably vlog at the meet tomorrow. Like I said, we back, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We out here.